Do you have a mess of cable you want to get rid of? Do the simple upgrade and see the result. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Mr.Sanchez Review. I hope you're all doing good. So today we're gonna be doing a quick review about the 11 USB port hub Atolla. Alright, so let's start doing a quick unboxing. So in the back we have a picture of the product with the manufacturer information and the model number. There we go, and let's go ahead and open this box real quick. And here are all the goodies, starting with the member card that has a 2-year warranty. You have to register for this, and a quick startup guide. I don't know what you're gonna need that for, but okay. Then here we have the hub. It's a nice looking hub. It's a finished glass, or gloss I should say. Okay, all looks good. This is a 39 inches USB cable. Looks good. And here's the power cord. This is a 47-inch cable. Both the power cord and the USB has a good length. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let's continue. So I actually upgraded my USB hub from 4 ports that you can see now to this 11 port. The reason for that is because I'm doing also some gaming content. I've been needing a lot of USB port, like for lighting, headphones, mics, you know, you name it, a camera, all that good stuff, and even charging my phone and whatnot. So obviously you're gonna be needing more ports and more outlets. So I just started with, you know what, let me just upgrade my hub. On top of that, I had a mess on my desk and I needed to clear something out. And with this hub, which is powered with outlet and USB, which is perfect for my need. The price is only like $35 or $36. I will put it on the screen right now. Compared to the other ones out there, I think it's a very fair price. I mean, the Atolla also has a 10-port USB hub, all 3.0, and it is the same price. This one is the 11. It comes with 4 smart charge port and 7 USB 0.30. I went with that not only because it has only an extra port, but because I do actually need a smart port to charge my phone. It doesn't necessarily have to be just for charging. I connect my RGB strip and the USB RGB lamp to it and it works. The only thing that you cannot do with it is transfer data to the computer. You can think of it as the smart charger as a powered USB port. The thing that I like about this hub is the ports are all illuminated. You can tell which one is which because of the color of the LED. Red are the smart chargers, the blue are the 3.0 USB port. You can also power individually every port. And the cool thing about it is that in order for you to power it off, you actually need to press it like and hold it for a second. So that means that if you have it on your desk and accidentally you press on it by like tap it, it will not turn off. You actually have to tap and hold, press and hold for about a second so it can turn off. So that's good. At the end of the day, there's not a best one. Everything's gonna come down to what your needs are. Me preferably, I like this one because it had a long cable that I can just put the hub anywhere. That means that you don't have to have it visible like I had it before. It works great for me. As you can see, I put it underneath of my desk and I actually use Velcro. They came with a USB RGB lamp from Monster, by the way. So I use that and I actually put it on the back of USB hub. As you can see, my desk looks actually cleaner. And honestly, I still got a lot of wire going on in here. But I'm eventually gonna be upgrading my headphones or my headsets to Bluetooth, and the same thing with my mouse. I'm gonna upgrade that as well with Bluetooth as well, so I can eliminate some of the wiring that I have in here. And of course, I need to work more in my cable management, but that's a whole different story. Right? I'm gonna show you some of the hubs that I see online, and they can become very expensive. All right, so here we have the Atolla. Let me go ahead and show you the other ones that I have seen. Look at this one. For $70 you get 13 ports I guess that's not a bad price. Plus you get quick charge. And look at this. 7 ports, $41.99. 10 ports, $49.99. And 16 ports, $83.99. I would rather pay the $84 and get a 16 port. But damn, that is expensive. Look at this one for $100 for 10 port. This one does come with a cooling fan. Again, this all gonna be based on your needs. And at the end of the day, you have to think about where you're gonna put it at and how does it look on your setup, or if you're gonna put it underneath like I have it, or on the top, or on the side, you name it. This one sells, as you can see. I mean, all of them are good. It's always gonna be based on your need, like what you're looking for, what you needed, how you're gonna travel with it, are you gonna just set it up on a place and forget. So yeah, let's continue. So this one for 11 ports, I think it's a fair price. I believe it has everything you need, which is power with outlet and USB. It has individual turn off switches for every port, except for the one on the side. I forgot to mention that. It has a LED or light on every port. The only downside that I can say about this, it does not come with a mounting kit. So it's not a major problem, since you can just buy double-sided tape and just pretty much tape it anywhere you want. I had this hub for about now a week or more. That hub is 24/7 on. I might not have the RGB strip or the lamp on, but the hub is always on. I never turn it off. It never gets heated. It's awesome, and I don't have no complaints on my end. As you can see, it works perfectly like a charm. And that is it for today's video, guys. So if you liked it, please drop a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much.